In this video we are looking at distributions. First distribution we're looking at is left skew or negatively skewed data. This is where most of the data is clustered together, but we have a tail down towards the left, so we have some values that are much lower than what we would consider to be a typical value. If we have left skew data, the mean is lower than the median because these small, unusually small values are dragging the mean downwards. Right skew or positively skewed data has a tail going out to the right. This is where most of the data is clustered together, but we have a few values that are much higher than the rest. With right skew data, the median is less than the mean, so the mean is being pulled up by those unusually large values in the right hand side of the graph. Here is an example of a symmetric distribution. It is approximately normal, so a bell curve type shape. When we have a distribution that looks like this, the mean and the median tend to be very similar to one another. This distribution is also fairly symmetrical, so we could fold it in the middle, but it's a particular kind of distribution that we call bimodal. Bimodal because it has two modes or two peaks. So we can see that there is a peak in the data that's fairly low, there's another one that's much higher, it's a bit of a dip in the middle. Since it's also symmetrical, the mean and the median are going to be very similar to each other, but when we were describing it we would use the term bimodal so that someone would know that there is these two separate peaks in the data.